Alright, so in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to submit your sitemap for your website to Google. So what you want to do is go to Google Search Console. So just Google it. Alright, here we are. Start now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to add the property, the website. So click right here in the top left where it said add, and then click on add property, and then the top one is add a website. You can also add a new thing that it just put in: Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube now. So that's pretty cool. Alright, put in a domain. Okay, press continue. Alright, that's pretty much it. You'll probably need to verify ownership of your website. It's pretty simple steps. Anyway, so once you do that, you're back here. So on the left side, on the indexing, it says sitemap right here. Click on the sitemap maps. Okay, and you're gonna enter the URL. run.com, and then /sitemap.xml. Now what you want to do is make sure that you actually reproduce an actual sitemap for your website. So otherwise there won't be anything there. It'll be just an error, and then you just submit it. There it is, submitted successfully. So hopefully soon Google will index all 385 pages. Alright, anyways guys, that's how to submit your sitemap to Google 2026.